Hi guys, hope that you can hear me. I'm walking from Susukino to Sapporo TV Tower, and this is the first time I'm really using the new Osmo Nano. So I'll primarily use it for street walks so that I don't need to hold the pocket tree all day long. We're gonna go to Sapporo TV Tower and Odori Park. My first time in Sapporo. It is 9:52 a.m. Very peaceful. I hear a lot of crows though. Later I'll do a mini room tour of my hotel. I'm staying at the Vendor Prestige Sapporo Hotel. Apparently it's a 4-star. I dropped my luggage but I couldn't check in until 3 p.m. so I have at least 5 hours to burn before I can go back and rest in my hotel. And apparently, the area that I'm staying, called Susukino, is a nightlife district. So I have stayed in Dotonbori. I didn't stay in Shinjuku in Tokyo, but I've been there before. Didn't seem so bad. So let's see. Hokkaido is supposedly a quieter city. The weather is a bit cold. So I can watch my live feed from my phone, from the DJI Memo app, and it's pretty cool. But I might need to adjust my angle a little bit here and there. So I need to cross to that side, so either way. Oh nice, they have trams just like Hiroshima. I don't think I'll take them. I'll be walking. I want to walk a bit more. We should reach in another 10 minutes. Then we'll probably chill there and I'll find a place to lunch. And if you're wondering what's the weather like in late May, 17 degrees and there's a breeze. I feel pretty chilly. So it's like, to me it's like winter. Sorry if I'm not talking a lot, I'm pretty tired. I've been flying since 17 hours ago. Yeah. Went from Singapore to Tokyo Haneda, had a 4-hour layover and then came to Sapporo. So generally in Japan, the bigger cities, I like walking randomly on the streets because it's pretty clean. The floor is flat. When it's flat, it's friendly for my ankles. So this is a shopping street. And I realized that the battery for Osmo Nano is not really good. I think I can maybe capture only 50 minutes, 50 on on a full battery. But there's a docking thing where I could use, but it'll make it heavier. So let's see. This is my first time using. I'll figure things out. I see people starting to queue for whatever restaurants, but I'm gonna get to my destination first, then figure out what to eat. We are arriving. We are arriving at Odori Park. I'll show you Odori Park, and the TV tower is just over here. Beautiful place though. Really beautiful place. Man. There's lots of flowers. I could just shoot here all day. Look at the flowers. And here, yeah, I will stop the stream. I'll test it again. So it's Sapporo Tower in front of me. Yeah, in the park here, look at the beautiful flowers. Man, so beautiful. Alright guys, see you in the next video. How do I stop the stream? Sorry, how do I stop recording?